In this video I'll show you how to activate a hidden feature in Samsung Galaxy and other Android phones which are running version 10 or newer. Go to settings, scroll down, about phone, software information, and here you have build number. Tap this fast for 7 times. And then developer mode will turn on, or my phone is already turned on. Then go back, scroll down, and here you have developer options. Scroll down, and here you have quick settings developer tiles. And here you have sensors off. Enable this. Go back. Now here you have a new icon which will turn all your phone sensors off when you enable it. It will turn off your microphone, GPS, all the sensors in the phone. So the apps which track you will not be able to track you anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching.